Arm Wrestling dito lang sa Pinoy Big Brother Unlimited ang ligaya ng tanghalan. Okay.
Okay.
Ano yung mechanics, Divine?
Okay,
Paki-explain.
so basically, the basic arm wrestling rules.
Okay.
Isang kamay that walang magamit,
Mhm.
has to be on the table.
Okay.
Flat.
Oo.
So, ang hindi ginagamit na kamay,
Oo.
nasa table lang
Oo.
dapat.
Hindi pwede dito, hindi pwede hold something.
okay.
on the table. So that's one of the rules. Isang other rule is sa wrist sa dalawang players has to be straight.
Okay.
So the force is even and there's no
Okay, para hindi dangerous.
Sakit.
Oh,
Oo,
safety
oo.
first.
Safety first.
Oh,
na.
guys, wag na wag nyo itong gagawin. Oo.
Okay.
Wag na wag nyong gagawin ito sa bahay kung hindi ninyo alam ang ginagawa ninyo. And remember,
Mga
okay?
magulang, gabayan niyo po ang inyong mga anak.
Oo. Ang arm wrestling ay isang sport, pero kailangan ito ng ensayo at kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo.
At
Oo.
saka, usually mga professional yung
Ginagawa ito ng mga
nito.
professional, okay?
Okay.
So binabalaan namin ang mga nanonood ngayon na huwag basta-basta gagawin kung walang gabay ng mas
Magulang.
nakakatanda or ng mas nakakaalam ng sport na ito. Okay. So, ngayon, we will introduce you
Yes,
on the left
yes.
corner, on the right corner. So, you just go there. Okay, so handa na ba ang lahat?
Handa na ba ang lahat?
Okay, handang-handa na lahat. Mukhang handa-handa na lahat, audience.
Consequence ng matatalo.
Please turn in natin. Okay, on the left corner, wearing yellow shirt and
Black jeans, blue jeans,
na half
and wearing
black shoes
shoes
and
and-
mohawk hair with lots of tattoos and key necklace all the way from Cebu. Divine! And on the right corner,
wearing with white and red shirt and
headband. Red headband,
and blue jeans and
gray shoes.
gray shoes
With smiley heart t-shirt all the way from the National Capital Region
of
of the Philippines, Christy Patrimonio! Okay. Palakpakan mo natin.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. So, player, shake hands first. Okay, so
Okay.
before anything else, let's interview them.
Okay.
So, ikaw, Divine, matagal mo na ba nilalaro tong sport na ito? Have you played? Have you long have you been playing this? 5 years.
For a really, really long time. Since Thailand na, since bata ko.
Sounds good.
Marunong ko.
I see your record though. No losses yet, and you're a world champion in the World Arm Wrestling Federation. Congratulations, and you're protecting what 7 titles now? 7 titles. And but your challenger, hindi yan madali.
Naku,
Sitin.
partner!
Hindi yan madali. Hindi yan madaling kalaban.
Hindi madaling kalaban itong
Oo.
nasa side ko. Tignan mo naman. Mukhang palaban na
Palaban na
talaga
palaban.
to.
Oo,
Ready ka na ba?
Siyempre, ready!
Ikaw naman, tatanungin ko. Usually naglalaro ka ba talaga ng
Arm wrestling.
arm wrestling na ito?
All my life.
Oh, yun!
Oh my
So,
God.
So, may pinoprotect ang 7 titles ngayon si Divine, World Champion Divine. Sa tingin mo ba kayang-kaya mo?
Hindi!
Sa tingin mo ba kayang-kaya mo?
Kayang-kaya!
Oh, palaban na palaban
Hindi
talaga
ka
ang ating
patalo,
challenger.
partner, oo.
Okay, I think handa na tayong lahat.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready to rumble?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Slater. Cameraman Slater. Now, again, ulitin natin yung rules. Sinabi ni Divine kanina, yung isang kamay, yung at rest na kamay, kailangan nakalapag lang sa floor, sa
Hit on the
arm
floor.
wrestling mechanism all the way from Japan. So, sampulan natin. Paano dapat ang magiging beginning position ninyo? Ganyan. Okay. So, ikaw, ang beginning position ng kabilang kamay.
Teka lang,
Sige, okay.
kailangan mag-prepare.
Oh,
we need
Okay,
preparation.
na-prepare po
Ang
ang
mga
ating
art
lahok.
wrestlers, perfectionist kasi.
Oo.
Kailangan
Tama.
Everything has to be
Oo.
perfect.
perfect.
Wow, mga perfectionist pala. Ngayon ko lang yan nalaman ang pako.
Oo.
Na mga hand
Perfectionist
wrestler pala,
talaga, oo.
Perfectionist
So,
sila.
bago tayo magsimula, how did you prepare for this event, this world-class event?
Ang ligayang tanghalan
Alan,
mismo
dito lang sa
kasama
Pinoy Big Brother Unlimited. How did you prepare for this?
Oo.
Yoga.
Yoga.
Yoga ka ikaw naman. Anong ako?
Weights.
Oh,
Weights.
nag-race pala naman itong si
So sa
Tim.
tingin, ano ba talaga mas magandang mainam na paraan? Ang yoga versus weights. Oo.
Okay.
So malalaman na magkakaalaman na tayo. Sige nga.
Dito tayo
First position,
magkakaalaman ngayon. Best of?
verse of 5.
Best of 5?
Okay.
Okay, best of 5
Best of
daw ito.
five.
You going down, Saga!
Okay. What can you say? Okay. She's going up. Okay. Beginning position. Okay, isang kamay saan dapat ito? Dito. Okay.
5.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Are you ready?
Ready, go!
So you both know the rules. Kailangan wala dito. And the first one to touch loses the game. Okay? The first one to touch the arm wrestling mechanism all the way from Japan. Okay? No, this should not go anywhere. Dito lang yan. Okay? You cannot hold it here. You cannot hold it here. No hitting below the belt. Okay? No butt heads, headbutts, and butt heads. I mean headbutts. Anyway, are you ready? Okay, here we go. In ready, and go.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Tin. Weights mo,
Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, we have a winner on the first round winner. Divine. Okay. Stretching. How do you feel? Natalo ka ata dun sa first round.
Oh, medyo diesel kasi ako eh.
Jesus ka.
Kailangan ko mag-warm up. Hindi pa ako naka-warm up.
Sige, again. Okay.
Lakas ni Divine.
Here.
Okay.
Ready, ah? When I release my hand, you start, ah? No pressure yet. No pressure.
Okay.
When I release my hand. Ready?
Go.
Ready? Go. Oh my God!
Nakakadalawang talo na po itong si
Dalawang
Tin.
na, isa na lang. Pag natalo ka pa dito sa next round na to,
Wala na.
concluded na ang game.
Ang daya! Kasi
Oh, you will suffer the really rough consequence.
It's so manghang.
Swimming dito for 15 minutes.
Yon.
Nagsi-snorkeling.
Tsaka dancing.
Okay, ito muna pa ako. Kulang ako.
15 minutes.
Oo.
15 minutes
Mali ako.
snorkeling.
Sige.
Okay.
Game.
Okay.
Snorkeling. Bahala na. Yo! Ano yung
Are
next
you ready?
performance?
Ikaw, sabi.
Meron bang mga materials for tattoo dyan? Wala.
Ano?
Materials for tattoo.
Wala.
Pero materials for mask making, no?
Meron?
Meron. May
Meron.
plaster Paris at saka.
Okay.
Mamaya. Pwede tayo, matagal-tagal yun. Okay lang. Okay, game? When I release my... Ha? Oh, this is the last if you win. Okay? Ready? When I release my hand. This is the final round, ladies and gentlemen, between Tin of National Capital Region and Divine of Cebu, protecting 7 titles and a world champion of the world, champion of the world, champion of the world, champion of the world. Okay. And this is the conclusion. This match will conclude if Divine will still protect her belts, her titles, or if Tin will be able to make a point and there will be 2 more games, but no. Okay, here we go. When I release my hand, here we go. Oh my God, that's like Tin is winning. There. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Looks like the world champion is tired. The other Okay. Nakatati na. Okay. Okay. So, one more round. One more round. So, it's 2, 1. Again, this is another round for the Challenger Tin and also Divine, the world champion of the world, champion of the world, champion of the Okay. Okay, okay, world champion and also the Challenger Tin. Are you ready? You ready?
Ready.
Okay, ito yung magic hand mo eh. Okay, so when I release my hand, you'll start arm wrestling. Tin bilang the challenger and you, Divine, as the world champion.